You're listening to Wed Talks with Wed. I'm your host Vedangi from White Wave Events. We are here to talk all things weddings. So let's jump in. Today's episode is about how to interview and what questions to ask the makeup artist while you're hiring one. Let's dive in. So, makeup artist is a very vital vendor again that you'll be hiring for your big day. They are gonna make your whole look into something very beautiful, something that is very camera friendly and in person friendly also. And there are certain very priority factors that you want to consider while interviewing them. Ask the right questions and probably have it all answered and figured out and mentioned in the contract before signing the contract with them. You want to ask about the date availability, their style, check out their website, check out their reviews. Their social media will speak a lot about what kind of makeup they do. Are they able to do the style that you're looking for? A lot of brides now are going for no makeup look, but a no makeup look also takes 2 to 3 hours to do. But is the makeup artist that you're looking for able to achieve that vision of look for you is something you are searching on their social media, and also when you communicate with them and talk with them during the interview. If you have sides, which is the makeup art, which is your mother of the groom, mother of the bride, sisters, siblings, any bridal party or wedding party members who also want to get dressed, any guests who are also interested in getting dressed or done makeup, draping, hairstyle, something with your makeup artist, then when hiring a makeup artist, you might want to communicate that I might have 5 sides or 6 sides or 2 sides who also want to get ready along with me, so bride plus these many sides. So the makeup artist knows how many team members he or she has to bring along with them to cater to everybody who wants to get ready that day morning, that afternoon, that evening. You want to ask if they can do a trial run with you for the makeup. So before your big day, you have sat with this makeup artist and done your trial run. She has done a proper makeup on you. You can give a feedback if something is off. So on the day off, she already knows what shade works for you, what colors you have pre-decided. Sometimes there are some things in the outfits and draping that makeup artists help with to the bride, so you can probably do that on the day of the trial. The trial can be probably a month in advance to your wedding or 2 months in advance to your wedding. You can ask for any skincare tip that the makeup artist suggests for your skin, because they are an expert in this, and you can follow that such that you have better results on the day of, and it's easy. A lot of brides say that I want to wash my hair right after the ceremony for the reception setup. This is again for the South Asian community. So you might want to ask your makeup artist if you can do that, because it has to be an easy process for her, the timeline, etc. Just something to think about and to include in your timeline, because a hair wash or a head wash will probably make things difficult for the makeup artist or make it easier, either or. It depends from person to person, but having it communicated, having it asked, having that cleared in your mind helps you during setting up your timeline. You also want to ask about some references of their past clients, so that you can talk to them and see how their experience was with this makeup artist. Whoever the team members are that the makeup artist is bringing with her on the day of, you wanna probably talk with them, also know them by name, personality wise, etc. So you're not working with a complete stranger on the day of. You also, makeup artist is somebody who wakes up very early in the morning, again for the South Asian community. So you might want to check in the makeup artist and their team the night before, so things flow very smoothly on the day of. If it's an American wedding and the ceremony is later in the day, you can start as early as 8 a.m., 10 a.m. sometimes. But again, due to the location and accessibility, if at all the makeup artist has to check in the night before, it's always advisable such that that one thing doesn't get delayed that day morning, because if the makeup artist is and the getting ready gets delayed, the whole day gets delayed, and we just want to make sure the pictures happen the way we want to, the solo pictures, couple shots, family portraits, name it, everything happens properly. You also want to ask your makeup artist if she will be or he will be around during the ceremony, after the ceremony, and during reception for any touch-ups that you might need, especially after your vows, especially after your ceremony. Anything, you could get emotional, you could probably cry, so having a little touch-ups is always best, and if they are at the premises, it comes in handy. So these are some things you definitely want to make sure you ask a makeup artist while hiring them to make your day transition very smooth. Thank you for listening to our episode, and stay tuned for our next episodes coming out every week.